Super flipper. Come here. Come here. Here, flip over. Oh, there. Start from scratch. Hi. You gonna flip? Flip like a pancake. Go on. Oh, now you're not gonna flip now that the camera's on you? That's not a good flip. Come on. Flip flop. Flip flop. Zoom. Get your arm out. Oh, you got it. Bring it around. You almost got it. Here, let me help. Oh, get it there. Yay! Zach's watching. You watching? Your brother's flipping around like a lunatic. Good boy, Jake. You see what you gotta do, Zach? Are you learning how to flip? Are you learning how to flip, or are you just learning how to kick those feet? Alright. Good job, boys.